we're going to High Bridge, I guess. Warm these tires up a little bit. Both of them up there still stunned, ain't they? Treat it like it's a dirt bike, boys. Come out the turning on the wheelie too. Let's get it. I love doing that. Wow. Wow, boy. I think I just caught air. We're getting that content. Oh, look at him! Look at my man up here! Look at my man up here! I ain't done that yet. I ain't done nothing like that. Oh man. I've always wanted to, but I feel like your engine braking. Like, is it gonna? I'm not worried about the balance part, it's the engine braking. What do you do about that? Like, I'm gonna ask him about that. If he goes to neutral or what for those. I'd definitely like to give it a shot. I'll do that on the R6 though. Hey. You missed it. He stood up on the seat. I love his tail section. What he done with his turn signals, they're beautiful. We're tucked in the wings. It's so gorgeous. I love it. Try out that GP shift, man. Like, Dylan's Ducks GP, and he said he'd let me ride it sometime, and I definitely want to see if I like that, because I can feel the whole damn bike jerk every time I shift when I'm in mid-turn. Like, that's not it, boys. Let's see what we can do with seeing how that is, and I might convert this and the R6 to it if I like it. I know it'll be different. Whatever I do, like something like that, I'm doing to both bikes. Damn, that's bumpy. Something up there on my eyeball, right on my visor, boys. That's what we love it, ain't it? The west spot. Make sure they see me turn. They're far enough back there to where they might not if I had stayed up there with them. I'll be there for a good little ride for y'all. Dylan, boy, you missed it. He f***ing stood up on the seat.
Oh, he did? I missed that. Oh,
so I've always wanted to try it. Do you put it in neutral or what for engine braking?
I just speed it up.
Just speed up? Alright. Because I know it's not really the balance thing, it's like forwards and backwards is what I've always been worried about. Hell yeah. Nah. That's bullshit, ain't it? It make you want to buy S1000 is what it makes you want to do. Damn right.
It's like 100 cars.
Oh no. Heated grips and everything, man. Navigation, they got loaded. Yeah. Yeah. It's crazy, ain't it?
Taylor, you got stuck? Damn. I know. Oh.
Good little ride.
There it is. You want to push it a little bit? Yeah.
I will say this, bro. That exhaust is loud.
How loud?
Like,
I can't really hear it.
like, if I'm right next to you and you're to the left of me, I'll be like iffy on what gear I'm in.
That's crazy.
Like, I can still hear it, but it's like background noise because I got the music going and everything to it. Just amen. I don't know what that is. Who's on there?
You do that for wheelies?
What? Yeah, I leave it.
You still get full power, you just get less mid-range.
Yeah, and the throttle's less, or like
Not as
choppy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really haven't even used the whole like what Kilocam does, turning that shit off. I've not really. I don't even do that.
Or anything.
Yeah. Now I have had it come down one time.
Yeah, that one time we were riding.
Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. I don't even know what that is.
Oh gosh. Okay. Is there another gas station close?
There's one on the street on the straightaway by the
Yeah, there's that shell.
that shell right there.
We could probably make it.
We could make it.
Okay.
Is there any way to unlock that machine? It's got my card locked in there.
Oh,
Your car
shit.
locked in there too? Shit.
Damn, boys.
There's got to be a way for it to come out. I'll break the thing fast.
Damn right, that's my card.
Got $1 million on there. They better get release that car. Shit, I got $1 million in my bank account.
Don't get the car to do your million, that's fine. What are they gonna do? They already get it out?
Oh, here it is.
Yeah, go ahead and release
Where's
that.
his at?
I'd be big mad that fucker steals my card.
What?
Yeah. Another video again, we'll run out of fucking gas.
Hey, don't worry, we'll push you this
Y'all
time.
can make it?
I'm gonna be
I'm
chilling,
good.
but yeah.
My gas light ain't even on.
I don't even need gas yet. So
Cause,
Mine's on.
Cause if I know I'm going right and I put gas in my shit.
Fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna be chilling, so.
The first gas station will be right there on the right. It'll be about 10 minutes.
Yeah. Alright, we'll see.
No hollering till then, I guess,
Yeah.
boys.
Send it.
Oh, I'm sending it. My gas light ain't on. I'll send the out of it. I ain't got no problems. Helps if you got your key, don't it? Well, now you my mans now. Helps if you have your key in the f***ing bike. Get up here with my boy. There's something stinks. Smells like poo poo. Smell like a whole lot of doo doo. It's 2 o'clock and I'm fading. Oh boy, that's a good song. that sounded good. I gotta clean this visor off, man. I got something right in front of my right eyeball. That kills me. Does that give anybody else like a headache when they ride? If you get something right in front of your eyeball? Like, I know my stuff's gonna get dirty sometimes, but like, damn, man. He's talking about how I needed gas, and here he is out here going wild with it. Make shit happen, like